There we go. We got two red ones on it now. One on this side eating. As it twirls, there's another one. There's actually 3 in all. I mean, there was 3 this morning. Be nice if the third one joined. That way you could really get to see them nicely. Aren't they pretty? Look at the red on them. So they'll be here for the season. How red the top of their heads are. So beautiful. It's so nice to watch. And they sing beautifully. Beautiful noises come from them. I'm hoping the third one joins them. Well, one flew away. Well, we still have one on this one. Oh, a different kind come to join. Nice that they can share like that. Oh, he's in a hurry to eat, ain't he? Oops, and off he goes. Oops, in comes the other one. When the other one takes off, that's cute. He says hello. Oh, goes all the way around. Comes all the way back. They're beautiful. Wow. Such a red to the head. It's so pretty. Oh, the other one just went beep. really windy outside to begin with, so must be hard on them. Isn't that a beautiful bird? The other one's on the other feeder talking to this one. Probably can see me better on the other feeder. Gotta warn them, watch out, there's a lady watching you. You're on candid camera, my dear. Wow, look at the back. Thought I could get a little bit closer, but I couldn't. Alright, hope you enjoyed my bringing that to you. Bye-bye now.